Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
How friendly are you with your neighbors?
I must say I am quite lucky to have good neighbors who are always supportive and well-behaved. I am quite close to them. We have been living in our neighborhood for more than a decade, and our neighbors have become our close relatives. We have a mutual understanding and an invisible bond that ties us together as good neighbors. I respect their opinion, privacy, and try to step forward whenever they need me.
You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.